What if I married somebody different than the person who petitioned me for a K-1 visa?
Okay, this is not it's not an entirely uncommon situation. In fact, we see this several times a year. Somebody will come here on a fiancé visa, and for whatever reason they don't get married to that person who petitioned them, and then ideally you're supposed to leave, get married within 90 days or leave, but people for whatever reasons do end up staying and end up in a relationship with somebody else. So it is possible to still apply for a green card through marriage to somebody else, but you'll have to do an additional step, which is the I-130, which you normally wouldn't do. If you come here on a K-1 visa, you apply for a green card, you're not doing the I-130 immigrant visa petition. But in this case, if you're going to be petitioned by somebody who did not sponsor you on the I-129F, the K-1 visa, then you're going to have to do an I-130. Now, that's kind of the easy answer. However, it does mean most likely you were out of status, right? It's unlikely all this happened. You came here, your relationship ended with the person who petitioned you, and you found another relationship and got married. All of that probably didn't happen within 90 days, so you're probably out of status. And anytime you're out of status, there's always that danger that somebody, especially now with this heightened enforcement, we're seeing people who normally would have been low priority for enforcement action now being deported, being picked up. So you are out of status. There's always a chance you apply and they deny it and give you a deportation order or something. So if you're really concerned about that, you may just want to talk to a lawyer about it, because like I say, you're almost certainly out of status. Unless you've managed while you were here to change your status to some other type, student visa or something. If you're in a valid, current immigration status is valid, then yeah, it's no problem at all. But if you're out of status, which is most likely the case, then nothing stops you from reapplying. Just know that, and we've seen people do it successfully. We've never actually seen anybody have a problem with it. And again, we do maybe a dozen of those a year, and they've always gone right through. But we are seeing heightened enforcement now that is causing things that used to sail right through to receive increased scrutiny and even denials.
If you found this video useful, it would mean a lot to us if you could hit the like button and comment below to let us know what you think. You can also ask your own immigration questions in the comments below. If you want to make sure not to miss any of our future videos, we invite you to subscribe here on YouTube, and be sure to click the notification icon so you can be alerted whenever we publish a new video. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, where you can watch our regular immigration Q&A live streams.